The scary part is NASA just discovered a very similar blue star. So Buddy, Mac, and Scott are headed to meet with an astronomer to find out exactly where the star is headed.
I think you're referring to HE 0437. It's an amazing object. Maybe 1 in a million, maybe 1 in a billion.
Why is it blue? Is it because of the speed?
It's blue not because of the speed, but just because it's a relatively young, massive star. So it burns hot. Hot objects look bluish. So that's not so unusual. What's unusual is that it should have died by now. It was thrown out of the Milky Way 100 million years ago, and those stars don't live that long. So how is it now, 60,000 light years out of the Milky Way, still alive?
This is an anomaly that you guys are scratching your heads over.
The best hypothesis is now, it's consistent with the data, is that a pair of stars had a close encounter with a giant black hole in the center of our Milky Way, which resulted in them being thrown out at a very high velocity. And it's been traveling out from the Milky Way for 100 million years, and in this process it looks like the two stars merged into one star. So it's living longer than it would normally.
So maybe these blue stars do exist. What makes me uncomfortable is when the science starts agreeing with these Hopi prophecies.
November 9th, 2011, about 4:30, quarter to 5 in the afternoon. I'm in southwest Arizona, and this is day 2, filming this mysterious spot just below and to the right of the sun. I have no idea what that is. I never stake claim to what actually I think it is. I don't know what it is. However, on my video I put up yesterday, a lot of people have said that that's the Blue Kachina. Well, I did not know what a Blue Kachina was, so I Googled it, and sure enough, there are other people who are capturing similar pictures as this one and labeling it as the Blue Kachina. Other people have said it is a planet. That's very possible. However, I don't think the planet would be visible that big anyway. And some people have said that I faked the video by filming it through my car windshield. Well, let me point out the fact that there's my car. I'm not in the car. And let me do a little walk around here, so you'll be certain I am not inside of a car. And again, there's my car. So I have no idea what that is. It could be anything really. Let me show you what a lens flare is. See those little 2 dots I got circling the sun there? That is what I consider a lens flare. And the one that's underneath the sun there, it's pretty much stationary, so I don't know what it is. You guys tell me.